Greetings from Skanörs Nudist Beach that starts right over here and it stretches for 1 kilometer in that direction. Beautiful mixture of white sandy beach with smaller dunes like this, and it's quite interesting, this one is indeed in the beautiful nature. We can see also the Öresund bridge in the distance, and we can see also the Skanörs port and also the main public part of the beach as well. It's quite nice and beautiful on this 12th of May. It is 4 p.m. and we have 13 degrees Celsius in the air and 8.4 degrees in the sea. And there are not so many people on the beach. I have walked also forward. Very few because it is cold, obviously, and not suitable a lot to be completely naked on the beach. But the sun is up, and if you can find some spot without wind, that would be interesting indeed. And very close to this Nudist Beach, as you can see the sign over here, there are also beautiful, colorful houses. This is a really nice neighborhood. It's actually two different villages, Skanör and Falsterbo. I will visit Falsterbo later on. They have another beach over there, but both of them are belonging to Vellinge municipality. And yes, this is beach number 33, and this is the third beach for today, the third beach adventure. And I am on my fourth day and last in my Malmo adventures. That was initially for the Eurovision, but then I'm using it also to check out some beaches. And this is probably one of the most popular nudist beaches in Skåne. And there is even a nudist camping not so far away from here as well. It's very interesting indeed. Now let's check out the water and see how it is inside. Yeah, it's quite... There is some more seaweed here on this part of the beach, and it is still sandy, and there are a bit more different dunes, but the sea is the same. Yes, this is Skanör Beach, and we can also see the Öresund bridge there as well that connects Sweden and Denmark. The sea is amazing, beautiful. It looks really amazing from the water. This nudist beach looks fantastic. I'm walking a bit more. Alright, are you ready for a swim at the Nudist Beach? Skanörs Nudist Beach. Yes, let's go! It's amazing. It's brilliant. Fantastic. So beautiful. It's a beautiful view also as well from here to the Nudist Beach. Cool, alright. Thank you so much for watching this episode from Skanörs Nudist Beach. in Skåne, so Sweden. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!